my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be based off of my everyday radiant makeup look. This is the makeup look that you guys have been seeing me with all the time. When I do have the time to do my makeup and I feel like I have my energy, this is what I do. I usually will skip out on the putting out together a cute outfit or doing my hair in general, but my makeup is something that I always have to make sure that I just do because it makes me feel good, you know? So this is my makeup look that I've been doing seriously like all the time. The only thing that I will mention is that in the video I will let you guys know what I do skip out on sometimes, but it's mostly pretty much this. You guys already know me, especially if you guys follow me on my vlog channel. But yeah, so this is pretty much going to be the video, and I do want to say that it is also in partnership with Bobbi Brown because they know I am a huge fan of their foundation. So the video is going to be also explaining to you guys a little bit more about the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. So I do use this baby on a regular day basis, like all the time. Like even if it's a special event, I still use it because it's so good. So I'm so excited that they decided to partner up with me, so thank you so much, Bobbi Brown. But I'm so excited to tell you guys a little bit more about this foundation, just in case you guys have never heard about it or what it does. But it's seriously a miracle for my skin. This really transforms my skin, and I feel like this is what makes my skin look so much more healthier, glowy, and just overall beautiful. And that's what you guys have been really complimenting my skin on. So it really is thanks to this foundation. You guys are definitely gonna see it in action of how it just really transforms my skin. So I hope that you guys are excited for that. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is prime my face. I always start out with my face, and what I'm going to be using for my primer is, you guys probably already know this one, but it's a vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this and apply it all over my face. You guys have heard me so many times talk about this one because not only do I love it so it can moisturize my face, but also use it as a primer, just because it really does a nice job of like smoothing out the skin, giving it all the vitamins it needs for that perfect application of makeup. So I'm just applying it all over my face. Now moving on to my Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This has an SPF of 15. This is in the color Warm Beige, which is 3.5. And I'm just gonna dot it all over my face and then start blending it out with a brush. And you guys are gonna see how it's going to transform my face, and it's gonna give me that beautiful, fresh, and healthy glowing skin that I want, because that is what you guys have been seeing. And I feel like, you know, that's what you guys think, that it's all about the pregnancy, but in reality I feel like it's the foundation doing its job. Even though yes, I do have a kind of a glow because I am pregnant, this is really enhancing it and helping it. So I actually made my own foundation shade over there in New York, and I got to find out that they have this undertone technology which makes it look like your skin true match, so that way your skin looks exactly like skin instead of like a foundation being applied on your skin. So it really looks so natural, and that's why I love it. And not only that, but it's a longwear formula that can last you all day, and on top of that, it does not oxidize on your skin. And even though it starts off like a very kind of medium coverage, you can definitely build it up, and your face definitely will not be caked up at the end of the day. And the best part is that they just now added 11 new shades to their foundation range, so making it a total of 42 shades to choose from. So you best believe that you're definitely gonna find your perfect match of foundation shade. So definitely check it out if you guys haven't. You're gonna definitely love this foundation. And then the next step I'm gonna do, I don't normally do this every single time, it's just when I really feel like I haven't slept. So sometimes in the morning, my type of like under eyes really shows like the dark circles. So like they just show up right away on me. So sometimes I have to color correct. Sometimes I skip out on it. You guys know that I have always color corrected when I do have my under eye circles really bad. But this time I'm going to use this one, which is also from Bobbi Brown, and it's in the color Peach. I'm going to grab it with a little brush and just apply it underneath my eye. And then I'm going to go over it with my concealer. I don't know if you guys can see this, but my under eye circles are starting to look so much better because it's obviously correcting it. But now I'm going to move on to my concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to apply a generous amount because that's what I always do. I'm going to start blending it out. Now my face is ready. Like, it's been now corrected, I guess you could say, overall everything, my whole complexion. I don't have my uneven skin tone or anything like that. Now it's everything's even. And then I also corrected my under eyes, everything else that I needed to correct. And so this is the magic, you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my powder. It's just gonna be a translucent powder, you guys, and set the whole entire face. Now that I am done with this portion of my face, I'm going to leave it at that and move on to now my eyes and my brows, because that's what I normally do. And then I finish off the face after I'm done with my eyes. So I'm going to grab my Dream palette, because this is obviously the palette I use every single time. I do it very simple. So I literally just grab 2 colors. I sometimes mix 3. But really, honestly, this is the only... Okay, let me just show you guys my other palette, my real palette that I use. Like, I already finished the 2 colors that I use, because these are the 2 colors that I'm always just putting on my face. But I was like, let me grab my other palette, the one that looks nicer and clean. But I'm gonna grab Boo Boo and just apply this on my crease, and then this is gonna be the one that's going all over my entire lid, because my eye makeup has been very, very simple, just because I really don't have the energy to be doing a full on eye look, like half cut crease or any of that stuff. So I've really honestly just been keeping it very, very simple when it comes to the eyes, just until I finally get my full energy back and I'm finally back on it. Once I'm done adding in Boo Boo, I'm gonna take Frenchie and apply this all over my lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my liner. So usually if I'm feeling like, okay, I got time, I can do my wing liner, I'll do it. And if not, I'll just do one simple black line and then pop on my lashes. But today, I mean, we got time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner using obviously my Sigma Wicked Gel Liner. Y'all already know. This is my holy grail. This is what I'm always going to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my wing liner. After I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to move on to my mascara. So I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara, and I'll apply a few coats to my lashes. Okay, so while my lashes dry, I'm going to move on to my brows. So first I'm going to start out with the Sigma Prime and Control Brow Wax. So I'm going to apply that to my brows, brush them out, and then move on to my pomade. And then for my brow pomade, of course, it's also from Sigma. This is in the color Dark. This is what I've been using, all kinds. So I'm going to grab a little bit and just fill in my brows real quick. So now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to move on to my lashes, pop them on, and then move on to finishing off the rest of my makeup. The thing with my lashes, you guys, is that I always try to make sure that I wear some dramatic ones, even if it's for every day, just because since I don't do anything else to my eyes or anything like that, at least the lashes make my eyes look like more opened up, like I really tried with my makeup. For me, it's really easy since I already apply lashes like literally like super fast. It's so easy for me to apply lashes every single day. Of course, I understand that like not everybody has the time or the patience to apply lashes. But like I said, for me, it's like it's become a easy, regular thing that I just try to go for the most dramatic lashes, and that way it just makes my makeup look like I really spent my time on it. But like you guys saw, like I just popped them on so quickly. I'm just gonna go over the lash glue. Now for my bottom lash line, I just pretty much grab the same crease color and put it underneath my lower lash line. And then I add my mascara. And once I add my highlighter, I'll add my inner corner highlight. But basically I do the same color underneath. Like that. Just like on the outer part. Grab my mascara and apply few coats to my bottom lashes. Moving back to my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this bronzer from Elcie in the color medium and just basically bronze up my face. Now that I added my bronzer, I'm going to move on to my blush. So I'm going to use this blush palette because I actually mixed 2 colors here. So I mixed Adore Me with Marigold. I think that's how you pronounce it, which is basically this one and this one. So I mixed these 2 together and apply it as my blush. It's like the perfect everyday blush color. It's so beautiful. So I love it because it goes with any lipstick. If I want to wear a red lipstick, purple lipstick, whatever it is, it just really goes because it's like a very neutral blush color. So I love it. Now for my highlight, obviously I use mine. So I'm going to mix both Libra and Gemini together so I can apply it as my highlight. And this is what really makes me look very, very, very glowy. Now for my lips, I always have to do a nude lipstick. So you guys already know me. It's just like my everyday signature look. So I'm going to use this one, liquid lipstick from Kenia Ontiveros. This is in the color Chai. It's literally so used because I use it a lot. It's like perfect for every day. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as my lipstick. This is the final look, you guys. This is literally my everyday makeup look. So that's pretty much all I do. So it's really quick and easy once I just get in my mood and I just do it super fast. But of course, like it looks like it's longer because I have to like explain it to you guys and like the products that I'm using. But it's really fast for me now. I got it down to like probably do it like in 15-20 minutes, you know. So yeah, so anyways, that is it for today's video, my loves. I hope that you guys loved it, and if you guys want to recreate it, send me your pictures. But yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching me today. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. De mi vida te pa curarte el alma. Alright, my loves, so here is my... So yeah. Alright, so while my lashes dry, I'm gonna move on to my debajo del sol.